So I'm delighted to announce that I've just passed 100 subscribers.
Nobody cares. Go back to making fun out of yourself.
Recently I learned a new trick in Photoshop where you can identify any typeface. And I've been telling absolutely everybody that'll listen.
Gonzo, Stefan, Stevie, Big Steve, Big S, Manly Mac. No, it's Louis DC, yeah. Yeah, I sat beside you in college, yeah. In second year. Then again third year. Yeah, and fourth year as well, yeah, well rad, yeah. No in studio, no visual culture, so yeah, like 9 to 5, Monday to Friday. September to May, yeah. But anyway, Conso, have you seen the match font feature in Photoshop? Sean Star, Big Man Sean, Big Shawnee boy, Shawnee, Seanaldo, Shawnee Neal. That's what they call him round his way. Sean. Yeah, it's Louis. No, Louis DC. Yeah. I sat beside you in Trinity for 9 months. Yeah, no. Anyway, Sean, don't worry about it. Have you tried the match font feature in Photoshop? Hey, Michelle. Yeah, it's Louis, yeah. Oh yeah, I know I said I'd call you after seeing you the last time. Oh, you're gonna call me anyway? Why? What's thinking of me, were you?
You've got what? Well, you didn't get it from me. Does that mean I have to get tested? So let's dive right in. So open up an image with some text in it. This is a sign from a park in South Africa. I just love some of these things. I really think some of them don't quite need to be said. But anyway, we'll go with it. And then very simply, just go up to the top, hit the type menu, and then down to match font. It's that easy. And then you just make a little box around your font. Let Photoshop do its mystery magic, and hey presto, there you have it. So if you found this video helpful or fun or enjoyed it, please give us a like, leave a comment down below if you'd like to see more stuff like this, and hit that subscribe button. It costs you nothing, it means the world to me. And as always, thanks for coming.